In this video, we'll take a closer look at services and service providers, the two primary units in our system. Various configurations can be considered, and we encourage you to reach out to our life support team for guidance on how to set them up to accommodate your requirements. Anything that has an associated cost and duration can be set up as a service. This includes appointments, classes, events, or even various rental durations, for example. Conversely, service providers can be staff members or facilities with varying availability and capacity. If you need to limit capacity per service, you can consider using the Limit Bookings feature. You can allocate multiple services to a given provider or to several providers, offering flexibility for a range of configurations. If you'd like providers to be assigned randomly, you can use the Any Employee selector. Additionally, you can enable categories to group services and locations to group service providers if necessary. Lastly, you can set up service add-ons or products for sale that you'd like to offer during booking. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.